Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to do basic motion graphics in Canva. It's quite simple and direct, so let's get going. So we are now in a canvas here. You can start by changing the background color first. Then you can add some texts here. So for example, I'm just gonna put the country name Philippines multiple times here. And then add another page. So I'm just gonna search for any photos related to the Philippines. So I'm just gonna select everything I find good so I'll have more options later. Now I'm just gonna add another page here. So on this page, we're going to make the photos that we selected earlier stickers. So let's have the eagle first. Select the image, then click on Edit Image, then BG Remover. Once the background is removed, scroll down and click on Shadows. Then choose Outline. Then change the color of the outline to white. Then change the size of the outline according to your liking. After that, copy the sticker. Then go back to the first page and paste it there. Then I'm just gonna choose 2 or 3 images more and I'm just gonna do the same process to them to make them stickers. We're going to set aside these stickers for now. Let's go back to the first page. So here I will just put an effect like the eagle is covering just some letters of the word Philippines. So to do that, I'm going to divide the letters into 3. Then just right-click on the middle part, click on Layers, then Send to Back. So it will look something like this. Now that you get an idea how it is done, just put some adjustments here according to your liking. I'm just gonna do the same thing with other stickers. Now to put some animations, let's start from the text first. Right-click on the text, then click on Layer, then Show Layers. And then select all the text layers here. Then click on Animation. Choose your preferred animation. Select both here. Then just set the speed to slow. After that, just do the same process with the sticker images. You can select all the images at once and just choose the same animation, or you can also select them one by one and set different animations to each of them. And that's it. It doesn't look that perfect, but yeah, you already get an idea. Just add a little more of your taste and creativity to it to make it look more appealing. And that wraps it up. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.